It'd be extremely.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
Okay, I'm gonna cut the fluff. In this video, we're gonna be playing high FOV since that's what you wanted. Not using hacks at all, by the way. Oh, come on. Oh! Ah! No! No escape! Why? What? Not a good place to start the video. What the hell?
Can you shut the fuck?
Alright, yeah. Not good. I'm gonna get jumped. For what they did. Yo, I actually can see everything. Come on. No! Alright. He's alive, but I'm about to be dead. He's alive, but I'm about to be dead. Oh my god. High FOV, I'm pretty sure high FOV can make people feel nauseous. Or low FOV. Oh. What? Well. What the hell? Look at my arms. Come here. Come back. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh-uh. You're not gonna get that door, bro. Bruh. Y'all, I'm gonna like cut this out of the video because nobody likes destroyed toys, so I can see the whole map. What? Ace. Low FPS paired with high FOV equals. I don't know. Bread tastes better than key.
You're a philosopher. It's a metaphor for the fact that we often choose temporary. Because bread tastes better than key.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
Oh, no. We can talk about this. Please. Please, brother. I am also guys, join my Discord server. Link in the description. Goo goo gaga. Please no. Please. Please, brother, other. I'm another brother. How do you get through the door? No. Bro, I can like see the like. Oh my god. Yo, look at that toy part. It's like jiggling. See ya, brother. It's FNAF. FNAF. See ya, brother. I sacrificed myself. Oh my god, what the heck? Nah. We can talk about this. No. Money. I want him. I want him. Yo, I am so tired, bro. Oh my days, bro. I've been recording for 40 minutes, which is not even that much. The reason I'm tired is because I'm bored. And I'm bored because the last game was just like 20 minutes long. Just because uncooked. I'm Fred. See ya. No. Nah, 7 HP. Nah, I need help. Help me. Bruh, I'm scared. I don't want to be present in this location. I don't want to be present in this in these coordinates. What the? Puzzles. Let's do puzzle. Come on. If I juke this guy out. Oh, well, looks like I'm not gonna do this guy out. See ya. Chasing that guy. No, why? Yo, it'd be extremely...
Why do birds suddenly